rule number 5. This is about your life as a salesperson. My mentor taught me from day one, and one of the biggest reasons I think that I went from $0 to earning $100,000 a month in commission in such a short period of time, I did that in 18 months with no previous sales experience, was because I had a mentor. And my mentor taught me that there is no divide between your sales, your selling profession, what you're doing on the phones, and the other parts of your life. There is not this easy ability to compartmentalize and keep things separate as a salesperson. And so he taught me that my life must also start upgrading. I must put my life in order. And so the rule number 5, is put your life in order. If you have issues with your parents, with your family, with your friends, with your significant other, if you have issues with unpaid bills and debts, if you have issues with an untidy home or a workstation, if you have issues with your relationship to God or spirit, or you're having an existential crisis, or your hormones are out of whack, or you're not physically exercising, or you don't have goals, or you don't have a routine, any of these things are going to have a positive or a negative effect on your life as a salesperson, even though they don't directly have anything to do with sales. But there is no line of, oh, that's nothing to do with selling, and that is everything to do with selling. As a salesperson, everything matters. And that is why inside the Unicorn Closer Mastermind that I run alongside my mentor, we do an equal amount of development of who you are as a person as we do developing what you do as a salesperson tactically and energetically on the sales call, understanding the prospects. It is equally weighted. The things in your life that are not directly related to sales and the things in your life that are obviously selling related. So you have to start putting your life in order. You will know, watching this video, watching me, you will know, there is one thing that I've kind of let go awry in my life. Could be your relationship with your significant other. Could be that you haven't been staying in shape. Whatever it is, don't leave it any longer. Don't be that person that puts off to tomorrow what you should be doing today, because that tomorrow becomes next week and next month and next year. And it often never, ever, ever happens. And even if it does happen in 6 months' time, I guarantee you that every single day between now and when you actually take action on solving that part of your life, you are losing money that you could be making, because all of these other areas in our life as a salesperson have a direct impact on how well we do in sales. I also learned this from Jordan Peterson, who has a talk where he's talking about his life as a clinical psychologist. And somebody comes into his practice and asks him, well, where does the line end between me and what is not me? And Jordan Peterson says, well, anything that's in your experience, in your reality, is an extension of you. So when you look at the pile of laundry in your house that is not taken care of, you think, well, that's the pile of laundry and this is me as the salesperson. No, that is you. You are that messy pile of laundry. You are that person that hasn't resolved your marriage issues or your relationship issues. You are that person that hasn't got your body into good shape and is unhealthy and is overweight and is doing the wrong things as far as your daily habits. All of those things are who you are. And so your external environment within your life as a salesperson, put your life in order. How many deals have you already lost this week that you could have closed but didn't because you were out of state? I'm not a fan of sales hacks, but if there was one thing you could do before your next sales call to raise your closing percentage, it's using my patented pre-call checklist. Imagine taking just 60 seconds to read 5 to 7 personalized bullet points on a piece of paper, and as unbelievable as it may sound, puts you into the optimal state to access your highest sales skills on every call. That's the pre-call checklist. I'm going to show you how to create your own,
All you need is a piece of paper and to go through the training that I'm going to give you. Thousands of salespeople have used this framework to close more deals, and you can have your own for free. No strings attached, in a matter of minutes. Click the link below this video, enter your email, and grab it right now.